This is a Fujitsu slim duct unit that is suspended from a basement ceiling. This is a 9,000 BTU unit, variable speed blower motor, extremely efficient. This is one of many cooling units on this system. This is actually the evaporator cooling unit. There's your refrigeration lines coming out of the side of the unit. We have our 3/4 inch PVC coming out. This has a condensate pump built into the unit. Does not require gravity feed for any type of drain outlet. Now you see our supply duct that is insulated on the supply because of a